Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome once again to Army Public School PMA Resource Network. Before we start our today's lesson, please subscribe this page and click on the bell icon. Dear students, this session will be based on English Language, Unit 4, Homes, and Lesson 3, Out and About. Now, I want to share the learning objectives of the session. These are students to know about the advertisement, students to read a quiz and complete the chart, talk correctly about the time and date of different events, find the correct information to fill the advert table. Dear students, our today's topic is advertisements. Let's see what is an advertisement. Advertising tells people about a product or service, and it usually focuses on the qualities, the good parts of it, in an effort to get people to buy it. Advertisements about events give information about the specific event, time, venue, and purpose of the event. Dear students, now it is your time to read about advertisements given on Learner's Book, reference page 54, and get to know more about advertisement. While reading, focus on language used, date, time, venue, and event. I hope my dear students would enjoy these advertisements. Dear students, now it is your task to pick the relevant information about the time, place, and event from the text and fill the table. Given hints in the table will help you in completing your task successfully. This table has been taken from the textbook, page number 55. Dear students, in this week, you will work on the given project. Your project title is Create an Advertisement about a special event. Now, for your better understanding, more information is given here about advertisements. Advertisements are always attractive and persuasive. They are made attractive by using catchy words and slogans to convince the audience to buy the product or avail any service. Dear students, the given objectives are related to the project work of the week. These objectives will help you in attaining your task. These are: collect information about a special event. Next, follow the given instructions. And the last objective is create an attractive advertisement about a special event. Resources, project guidelines. Dear students, now it is a time to give you guidelines about the relevant project. The resources which can be used in this project are: take A4 chart paper, colored pencils, markers, magazines, old newspapers, pamphlets, fashion magazines sent by companies, etc. Dear students, more project guidelines are given here for your convenience. Step 1. Look at some advertisements in magazines and newspapers about different events to get ideas to create an advertisement. Step 2. What is the event? Think of an event and collect some information about it. Take notes to organize ideas. Dear students, now think on the prompts given below. I hope these prompts would be beneficial in attaining the task of the project. Now think upon what is special about the event. Who is your target audience? Date, time, and location for the event. What are the attractions for the audience? Use colorful pictures, symbols, and slogans to make your advertisement attractive. How to present your working and findings in written form. Mention week, subject, date, project name, and resources needed. Then mention the steps which were followed in attaining the task. What was the first step? What was the second step? And so on. What did you as a student do? Who helped you? Write a thank you note to a person who helped you. Attach it with your assignment. You can also use pictures of artifacts or stages of project. Dear students, your home assignment of the session is related to project work, and that is create an advertisement about a special event. I hope this session of English language will be fruitful for all of you. Now it's a time to say thank you and Allah Hafiz.